What happened, बच्चे?
Sir, imagine living in your own country and not having a freedom to make decisions. This was the reality of Indians under the British rule. But a strong voice was raised in 1942. British quit India. Let us explore how this powerful movement began.
Greetings everyone. Today I, Ajashri,
And I, Akansha, we are
the
the students of
Purnamurthy
Purnamurthy Global School.
are going to talk about one of the most important movements in India, which is Quit India movement. But before we start, we have to understand the situation in India which led to this movement.
So we are discussing about the Quit India movement 1942.
Quit India movement was a mass protest launched by Mahatma Gandhi on 8 August 1942, asking Britishers to quit India or leave the country immediately. But can you tell us, Akansha, why it was launched?
Yeah, sure. The British did not give India freedom even after their support in World War II. The fail of Cripps Mission 1942, which offered a limited self-rule, and the growing anger against the British rule. But Ujashvi, can you tell us why was it happened?
Yeah, sure. British arrested Mahatma Gandhi and other top leaders. Despite no central leadership, people across India joined the movement. Can you let us know, Akansha, what are the overall results?
Yeah, the results were like that. The movement was brutally suppressed by Britishers on Indians, but it showed a unity and a strong desire among Indians for the freedom. And do you know it was the last major movement before India got independence in 1947? Let us give the credit to the main leaders who were involved, like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel,
Subhash Chandra Bose, who was not in India at the time but supported the protest in his own way.
Let us revive into the movement by reciting a powerful slogan given by Mahatma Gandhi, that is, do or die.
Thank
Thank you everyone for joining us.